Okay. So, we're gonna be playing this game today. Oh my gosh. You're gonna see what it is. It's like this card game where you shush it. And you run and break stuff with your car. Like, you're gonna see it. Oh my gosh! Alright, we get it. You're annoying. I'm gonna sing the Skibbity Toilet song if you don't shush it.
Skibbity dum dum dip dip. Blee blee.
See? Here we go. I don't know who the fuck this is, but we're about to smash him. Boom! Continue. Go.
Squeeze tension.
If I hit that one more time.
What?
It's like, oh, his whole leg got knocked off, yo.
What?
What did you just say me?
What?
What did you say me? I'd hit right there so I can knock off his whole head. Yo, what?
Mrs. Griffin. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Yo, what? Alright, now I guess we're doing the skeleton, bro. Wait, what? I'm shooting missiles on it? Your face ugly. Yeah. Oh, jeez. I destroyed it that fast. Head fall off. You want to go, bro? Yeah. I didn't want to hit all the way up there, but then when I went slow, I didn't hit him and also.
No, wait, no. What was just said?
Yeah. Want to talk about this? Cause your face.
Oh.
You good? Oh! Oh! Seriously? If you welcome me. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go. Let's go. Get booster. Go. Sorry, this is just being really stupid right now. Upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. I can't request anything. It's loading. Okay, there we go. This sucks. Dude, go. What is happening? Alright, we're playing Roblox. This won't even work because it's being so bad. Seriously? I just left this game. I guess we're playing it. Ooh. Yeah, that was not good. I should have that. Alright. Oh, yo. Yo, no! Bro, if this happens one more time, I swear. Let's go! Yep. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Bro. Pick up. You think I'm just going. Oh. His leg is just sitting there. Yeah! Seriously? Oh, in the face. Oh. What do you mean? You're like dang dang! Dang dang! Alright. Here we go! Boom! Boom! Lemonade! Oh, in your face. He literally doesn't have a hand. He doesn't have both arms. His leg is knocked off. How is he still surviving? This guy's strong like heck. Yep, of course. Bruh! I literally don't have to! Yeah. Bro, how? How is he still? Can't even hit him because he's too low now! I thought he would be dead! Yeah! Let go. Bruh. Let's go. Let's see what we got next, boy. What pumpkin guy? Oh, throwing bombs at me. That is not cool, man. Shoot it. Next time I'm gonna hit you in the face. Try. Oh! Yo! Good! Dude, his whole body is seriously. Yo! So much. All I need to get is that piece right there. Oh, never mind. He's totally dead. That was easy. See what I have next. What the flip? Who's this? I don't know who this is, but we're doing it. Comment down below if you know who this is. Yeah! Alright, continue. Meow. I'm gonna press it as hard as I can so I can get up to it. No, go level up. Now. Oh yeah, boy. Let's go. Stupid idiot. I just gotta level up. Bring it on. Down! Oh, it hit that same spot. Eventually I'll just go through this thing's body. I'm gonna knock her other arm off this time now. I think. Let's do it. Oh! There we go.
Bless you. Please cover your nose, though,
Awesome.
because you just actually sneezed on me all the way over here.
Okay, and then did it some more. Oh, dang it. Oh, did you see I split? Oh, if you land on those things. Same spot. Well, let's go. Oh, come on, same spot. Let me go slow down a little. Over there. Still that same spot there. Never mind, never mind. face. Boom. Robot, it's a robot, but it's a boss voice. Oh, bombs? Think that's gonna do anything? Yeah. Oh, lasers! Ah! Yo! Hey, yo. Okay, okay. Oh, flavors! Ah! Let's go. But, oh! Boom! Other hand, other arm. Jeez. What? Put this alarm off. That's what I'm talking about. Stupid robot man. Gotta go through the lasers. Boom! Nice. Oh. Oh, sheesh. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm about. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude! Oh, yeah. Yep. Got his foot. Crab. Bruh.
Yo, bro.
That's what I'm talking about, boy.
Bro.
Yeah, in your face. Oh, there's a deer. Never mind, these are all boss fights. Oh, sheesh. Not anymore. Boom, boom, boom. What? Oh, oh, oh. Well, guys, this is the end of the video, so, never mind. Let's try this again. This is the end of the video, so make sure to never mind. It's the end of the video, so make sure to never mind. It's the end of the video, so make sure to Alright, it's the last time I'm doing this. This is the end of the video, so make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye!